They ate the food so fast. You see how they're eating?
And look how big they
are. Look how big they getting. I'm gonna wake the other ones up so they can eat too.
Wow.
Go eat, man. Wake up.
Turn the lamp on.
Now woke them all up. Hey.
Every day we have to come here at least twice a day to feed them, give them water. We have to clean up, their feed bowls and their water bowls. We have to.
They were hungry.
Yeah, they're eating so much, they're getting so big so fast. But every day, we come in, we sweep, then we have to deal with the local chickens. We have to, clean over there, disinfect where we need to feed them. So we're actually poultry farmers.
Yes, ma'am.
Yay. And you see they're growing, the progression, and they're healthy and they're doing great.
And I'm gonna try my best to do like a progression video, but probably day 1, day 2, 1 week, I'll try to figure out, but it's in the works, don't worry about it.
But you see they're healthy and they're big. I mean, they're just huge.
And they eat a lot.
And I can sit here and just watch them, eat and play and do
all day.
Stuff. It's like so serene just watching the animals, the chickens.
And this is just the start. Wait until they get big. Whew. If they eating like this now,
it looks like we're gonna have to change the trays to the bigger ones now.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, so that they have more room.
Yeah, they eating. Whoa.
They are.
I might gotta refill it after you get done, less than 30 minutes.
Yeah, I think we're gonna have to switch it out from the starter feeder trays to the bigger trays.
Yeah, cause they big now. Hey, little man, watch out. Go this way. Be careful.
Josiah is leveling out the sawdust and the charcoal for the chickens. You also have to turn it over and sometimes take some of it out, and it doesn't smell. It just smells like sawdust. And charcoal, yeah.
And right now we have to, because the way they're getting bigger, so we have to expand it a little bit more. Because you see the way they eat. They eat so much. Like, seriously.
And what we're going to do, or what we're doing is we're going to stage them as they grow into their development. We're going to move them to another section, and then we'll disinfect this section, and then when the new ones come in, we'll put it, like we're putting it in different phases of their growth development. They ate a lot, so fast.
He's watching me do it.
See how big they are already?
Today's a hot day.
Yeah, it's hot already.
Sitting there a little chill now after they got something to eat. Now we got one discovering new. He's just like me, an outlier from the rest.
There you go. So, Saya, what else did you do?
I mean, we had to change out the water. First we had to clean and disinfect the feeders, okay? Cause you gotta be clean when it comes to this, cause one small thing can take the whole boat down. Yeah, I'm not gonna hurt you, don't worry. But we had to clean the feeders, disinfect it, let it dry, put the soap back into it, rechange out the I forgot exactly what it's called, but the water, I'm gonna call it the water.
The water feeder. We could just
Water feeder?
yeah.
I'm gonna call it the water thing.
Okay, the water
aqua
thing.
But so we refilled this, cleaned it out, same thing, disinfected and clean it and let it dry after put the water in, as well as the same as with the other one. And I know soon gotta make sure to check over here and see if we need to clean.
Okay, so the local chickens, they actually ate up some of the plants that we planted in the little garden we're doing, and they also ate the aloe tree. But they're doing well.
Got some new additions too.
Yeah, we have these two right here, but they're doing good. They're doing great, actually.
Wait, we forgot to show something.
Ah,
What do you think that is?
citron?
Well, a lemon tree.
A lemon tree,
Or a
yeah.
lime tree.
Is that yours? You put it in or no?
No, I didn't put mine yet,
Oh.
but this is just the testing phase.
Yeah. Say hi. Say hi.
See, they all look like when they're sassy.
Yeah.
Is there egg in there?
I can't see. I can't.
Keep making those sounds.
Yeah. One or two of the chickens are already having babies, so we don't really know which one it is. By the time we get here, it's already out.
I didn't know that.
He's busted. He's trying to walk. He's trying to walk away now. He's eating the citron tree. What's up, fam? Okay, so we're finished feeding and cleaning up the chicken area and feeding the chickens. Now we're working on phase 2. Remember, we were talking about how we're going to do stages, you know, to put the chickens as they grow, as they develop. So we're getting ready to do an addition. It's outside of the room. I'm sorry, there's a pole coming in. But it's outside of the room where the chickens are now, and we're gonna stage it. It's gonna have a door and a fence and a covering for when it rains, so that when we start with them in this room, we come out and we bring them out to this next stage. This was a mistake. We should have put the feed into a container, and you see it looks like some of the birds that were flying around or whatever, they kind of punched a little hole in it and got some of the feed out. But we're going to put it in a container and put it in the room. We're measuring so that what's going to happen is there's going to be holes and then a covering over it, and then further down it's going to have fencing. But here's the fencing right here, and then it'll have concrete, maybe about 2 or 3, yeah, going across this way, and we'll have a door probably right here. So this is the beginning. Hi, what you doing, bro? What are you doing?
Currently, it's very hot and early, but life doesn't wait, so we gotta keep moving.
Okay, so what he's doing is he's measuring and he's marking it off with a piece of charcoal, so he knows exactly where he's going to put what and how it's going to be built. He already marked some spots, and now he's